The question of whether the egg or the chicken came first is an age-old debate. Here are 5 points to consider. Evolutionary perspective. From an evolutionary standpoint, the egg came first. The process of evolution occurs through gradual changes over time. It is believed that chickens evolved from earlier species through genetic mutations. These mutations would have occurred within the eggs laid by the predecessors of chickens, making the egg the precursor to the modern-day chicken. Genetic mutation. Genetic mutations are responsible for the emergence of new species. In the case of chickens, it is hypothesized that a genetic mutation occurred within the DNA of an earlier bird species. This mutation resulted in the first chicken hatching from an egg laid by its non-chicken ancestor. Egg-laying species. Many species of animals, including reptiles and birds, lay eggs. Therefore, the concept of eggs predates the existence of chickens. Eggs have been a reproductive strategy used by various species for millions of years. Thus, the existence of eggs preceded the evolution of chickens. Definition of a chicken. Determining when a species officially becomes a chicken is subjective. Evolutionary changes happen gradually over time, making it difficult to pinpoint the exact moment when a new species emerges. Therefore, the distinction between an earlier bird species and a chicken may be blurry, further supporting the argument that the egg came first. Semantic interpretation. The question itself can be interpreted in different ways. If the focus is on the specific type of egg that hatches a chicken, then the chicken would have come first. However, if the question pertains to the existence of eggs in general, then the egg would have preceded the chicken, as other egg-laying species existed before chickens. Ultimately, the answer to this question depends on how you interpret it and the perspective you choose to consider. Both the chicken and the egg are integral parts of the evolutionary process, with each influencing the other in a complex manner. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.